That's all I used to build my snack stadium. So first, what do you need? Bin boxes, spray paint, double-sided adhesive tape, cardboard, scissors or a cutter, ruler, and a pencil. I bought those bin boxes on Amazon. You can very easily fold them to boxes. I cut one into a smaller box to use it later as a stage. At this moment I used 8 of them, but you will see that I later just used 6. Now I measure the edge of the boxes to cut out one large piece of the cardboard. Now I put the long piece of cardboard in typical stadium shape around my boxes. And those are the parts I want to color. Because the color of the cardboard is just awful, I want to color it green. Now I'm connecting the boxes with my border. For this I'm going to use double-sided adhesive tape. Now I'm fixing all loose parts. Now I'm using this aluminum grill shell, which later serves as our field, to measure the size of the stadium. I want to fix my stage on the border. I'm marking the place where the box will be. I'm fixing it with a double-sided adhesive tape. Now I'm doing the other side of the stadium. Because my border is too long, I'm shortening it a little bit. Now I'm fixing the boxes to our stage, also with double-sided adhesive tape. Now we're doing the details. Now we're building the... Can I say the goal line? Maybe I could. The goal line path? I don't know. I'm going to use 3 straws. I'm fixing one of them on the other like this, and I will cut the third one and fix it like this. Okay, I decided to use this Q-tape like this, but now you can see that one part is obviously too long, so I will cut this and the same on the other side. So yeah, this looks good, right? Now I'm going to position this here. First you're going to look how big this is going to be. Hold it here. Now I can see how long the other side should be. So I'm also folding this, cutting this, push it, cutting this here, and I have 2 parts I can fix here. And now you're seeing the goal. You just have to wrap this a little bit around it. It's ready. It looks like this. Looks good. I'm doing a second one, and the next step will be a box for our plates. We can grab them out of the box. Okay, so I need enough space so that the plates fit into it. I'm cutting a hole in it. As you can see, I also colored the background in green. On top of this, I'm going to place my cheese and my salsa dip. And here, you can grab your plate. We're building some lights for the stadium. Normally they are for barbecues, but we will use them as lights. In combination with those fairy lights here, we will fix this at the stadium. And we have our lights. Magic. Let's do this. Just wrap it around it like this. Okay, now it looks like that. Because of the structure of the cardboard, you can just push our stadium lights into it like this. So we have our first light on this side, and I'm saving the rest of the fairy lights, and also on the other side. And now I'm fixing the rest of our fairy lights on top of the stadium. So here I'm hiding the battery box. And now I'm doing the same on the other side. As a decoration for our stadium, I just printed out some pictures. To fix them on the stadium, I used those sticky points that you may know from magazines. I printed one picture on cardboard so that it can stand. Here I just cut out a screen. I'm attaching the little flags on toothpicks. And now, let's have a look on our stadium. Okay guys, so thanks for watching my first video. Please let me know if this was absolutely helpful or just total bullshit. Again, thanks for watching and see you the next time.